Hello and welcome to Browsing the Dailies. Browsing the Dailies is a program on Procyon television where we give you a head start on what's trending on some selected Nigerian national dailies.
And right now, we go straight to the Daily Sun. The cover story with a banner headline on the Daily Sun says, "Appointment seekers intensify lobby, follow Tinubu abroad." And the rider is "Seek place in cabinet, parastatals board." You can pick up the daily newspaper for more details. And right now, we go straight to the Punch paper. On the Punch newspaper, the cover story with the banner headline is 2,000 vacancies open for APC faithful Tinubu allies. And the rider is 153 agencies, parastatals, others await board members' appointment. And the second rider is "Don't sacrifice competence for political patronage," OPS tells president. You can pick up the Punch newspaper for more details. And let's go straight to the Nation. And the banner headline is "Student loan plan sparks controversy in universities." The rider is ASU Konya. Parents take different position. Policy due to begin September. Eco rice enters market, says for 33,000 naira.
That's about the size on Browsing the Dailies today on Procyon television. For more information, you go to www.procyonnews.com. And if you want to watch and listen to other interesting programs, look for Procyon RTV on all social media platforms. Procyon is spelled Procyon RTV. Like always we say, keep shining like the star that you are.
We break it first.